Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how we can create Flutter plugin, and we will also see how we can send and receive data with native code. Basically I am going to fetch some device information into our native code and we will access those variables into our Flutter project. So let's start. Click on new Flutter project and then select Flutter SDK here and click on next and uncheck Linux, Mac OS, Web, Windows, and then select your folder where you want to create your Flutter project. Okay, and select project type as plugin and then click on create button. Then you can see here our project is creating, and now our project is created successfully. You can see on the left section we have multiple folders like Android, example, iOS, lib. Okay, and this is the example project. So here you can see this is the lib folder, and inside this we have main.dart, and we have also a pubsec YML file. Inside this we are importing my device info plugin and we are assigning this path, and this plugin name is the same name as our project name. Okay, you can replace your original project instead of this example also. Now I am going to extract this Android folder and then main, and then open this Kotlin file. The name is my device info plugin. Here we will write our native codes. You can see we have multiple methods like on attach, on deattach, on method callback. Okay, and this is the lib folder which is available inside our root directory, and the name is my device info, and inside this we have a class my device info and we have a one method. Okay, so in this we will write this class will work as a mediator. Okay, and after this and this is the main.dart file from where we will call the native code. Okay, so in the my device info plugin we will import two packages, JSON object and build, and we will take one variable that is result. Okay, and initially it will be null, and after this inside on method callback we will initialize this result, and after this we will check one method. The method name is get device info. Okay, call dot method dot equal, and we will check this method. If it is available, then we will execute these things like we will extract messages and we will execute this method. Okay, and we will pass this message which we will get from this method, get device info method. Okay, now I am going to create this device info method. So here I am passing this message as we know that, and after this we are fetching some data like manufacturer, build manufacturer, model, SDK, release from our native code. Okay, and we are storing inside JSON object in the form of key and value pair. Okay, and after this we are passing this JSON object into our callback, so we will get this callback into our Flutter. Okay, and then we will display all the information over the UI. Okay, now open this my device info file. Okay, and here you can see this is the method name, so we will create one method that name will be get device info, but before we will have to import two things, convert and Flutter services. After this we will take method channel and we will assign this unique key, and this unique key must be equal to this key. Okay, my device info key, which is in our native code, Kotlin code. After this we will create one method. The method name would be get device info, which we are checking into our native code here. Okay, call dot method dot equal. Okay, so this method should be equal, and in this method we are passing message. Okay, so here you can see we are passing the message into this function, and inside this we are invoking the method, and after this we are passing message also, and then we are returning this result as JSON decode, because we are encoding into our Kotlin code. Okay, and now I'm going to work on our main.dart file. So just remove this unwanted codes, and then I will declare some variables like platform, model, manufacturer, OS version and all. We will get this all information from our native code, which we are getting. Okay, and we are passing into JSON object. Okay, so we will display this all data over the UI. Here we will take one here we will create one method, that is get device info method, and we will call this method on init state. Okay, and you can see here we are executing the we have taken one variable, and inside this variable we are calling this class. Okay, my device info class, and inside this class we have get device info method. So this is the way to call any native function. Okay, so function and classes. So firstly I'll call this class name and then function name, and then we'll have to pass the message. Okay, because this method is taking a message. Okay, so we are passing message, and after that we will get this all informations, because we are returning this as callback result dot success, and inside this we are passing this JSON object. So we will get this here, and now I'm going to display all the variables over the UI. So here instead of this center, I'm going to display all the variables. So here I have taken one column, and inside this text, and inside this we have taken multiple text and displaying all the data like model, OS version, SDK, messages, etc. So our code is finished, I think. Now I'm going to run over the device. Okay, so you can see our all information is displaying over the screen: model, manufacturer, OS version, SDK version, platform and all. Now I'm going to check now I'm going to change the message and just check whether it is working correctly or not. So again hot reloading this, and you can see here yeah, it's changing. Okay.